Good morning, teacher. Today we want to continue the chapter of fraction. It's a fraction part 2. It's about how to add two fractions and how to subtract two fractions. We take before what the meaning of a fraction. Who wants to tell me what the meaning of a fraction? Yes, Lynn.
A fraction is a part of a whole.
It's a part of a whole and it has numerator and
Denominator.
denominator, and the denominator should be always different than
Then
zero. The denominator should always be different than zero. There is no fraction with denominator zero. Okay? Okay. I want from you now to move to your books, page 106. 106. Please move to your books, page 106. Let's start solving page 106, exercise 1. Did you remember how we find the missing number? The 3, it becomes what? 6. They are multiplying 3 by what?
3 by 2.
By 2. So I should multiply now 1 by what?
2
By 2.
By 2.
By
It will
2.
be
By 2. 2.
2 over
2.
6. Now also the 3, it will be 9. So they are multiplying the 3 by what?
3.
By 3. So multiply 1 by 3.
3.
3. Now 3 times 4, 12. So 1 times 4.
By 4.
4.
By 4.
4.
Good, it's 4. يلا solve it alone.
Okay.
The second one, the 4, it becomes 8. So they are multiplying by what?
2.
By 2. So multiply 1 by 2. 1 times
1 times 2 يا مس.
2. Yes.
2.
Multiply up and down by the same number. Now 4 times 3, it's 12, Yadima. 1 times 3 is
3.
3. Also here, 5 times 2 give me 10. So 1 times 2,
2.
2. 5 times 3 give me 15. 1 times 3,
3.
3.
3.
Now 6 times 2, it gives me 12. So 1 times 2,
2.
2. 6 times 3 give me 18.
3.
So 1 times, it's very easy if you found the down one. It's a 3.
Yes.
Now, in exercise 2, write the simplest form of each of the following fraction. Simplest, that's mean reduce, divide the fraction. Who wants to tell me 40 and 12, Muhammad Isa, it can be divided on what?
By 2.
Other than 2.
By 4.
Excellent, by 4. It will be the answer. Divide 4 equal to what, ya Muhammad?
Equal 10 over 3.
3. Can be reduced more? 10 over 3?
No.
No, there is nothing common between them. Okay, I want to learn you something here. When I have in the numerator and the denominator 0, so these numbers, it can be divided by 10. If I have 2 zeros like that, these numbers, it can be divided by 100. Okay, so first of all here, 120 over 240, I can divide by what? By 10.
By 10.
I will divide it by 10. I will cross the 0. When I'm dividing by 10, the 0, it will leave. It will be 12 over 24. Then I will make what? Divide what? You want to make divide what? Choose 12 and 24. Not 2. Not أكبر من 2 miss. خليها تخلص أسرع. I will divide it by 6, for example. It will be 2 over what?
4.
4.
2 over 4.
And 2 over 4, it can be divided by what also?
By 2.
By 2, it
2.
will be 1 over 2. Look here, what can I make? Look at what I want to explain here. If If you see here, teacher, you divide it first by what?
By 6.
Then,
6.
then,
By 10.
then,
2.
2.
then
10.
10.
No.
So you divide it by 10 and 6 and 2.
2.
Multiply them, teacher. You can multiply them. 6 times 2, 12. 12 times 10, it's equal to 100.
140.
120. So I can divide it directly, teacher. 120 over 240 by 120. Up and down, it will be 1 over 2 also. It's the same answer. It's a way, most fastest way to make divide. I will learn you a new way when we start solving the exercises after this page. I will explain for you a new way to make reduce for the fraction. In the second session or the session that comes after, I will explain for you. Now, no need. Just you can know this way. You divide by 10, by 6, by 2 at the same time. It's not a problem. Here, 72 and 48, it can be divided by what?
5.
No.
4.
72, it's 8 times 9. And 48, it's 8 times 6. So which digit?
By
8.
8.
So I will repeat the 8. Very good. It's 9 over 6. So 9 and 6, it can be divided on what? On a 3.
3.
It will be 3 over 2. I said for you before, if the numbers that have 2 zeros, 1 zeros, or 1 zero, we can divide by power of 10, 10, 100,000. So here it has 2 zeros. It can be divided by what? By hundreds?
By 100.
By 100. It will be 3 over 6. And 3 over 6, it can be divided on what? Divide what?
Also by 3.
2.
Excellent. Also by 3, not by 2. I cannot divide 3 by 2. By 3, it will
Becomes
be
3
1
over 2.
over 2. You can say 300 over 600 is equal to 1 over 2, and it's equal also to 120 over 240, since they have the same answers. Write, in exercise 3, write 5 fraction equivalent to each fraction. I will change the question, write 2 fractions. No need for 5 fractions. So each one can choose any number and multiply the numerator and the denominator by it. I will choose first time times 10. So I will make it times 10. I will write it's 10 over 30. And I will choose also to multiply it by 2. It's 2 over 6. As you want, teacher. The second one, I want to multiply it by 4. Not by 4. By 4. Maybe by 4. It's 8 over 20. Then I want to multiply it by 10. By 100. It's 200 over 500. As you want, teacher. You can choose any number and you multiply by it. Okay? But you should multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay?
Okay.
Now we want to learn how to add 2 fractions. To add 2 fractions, 5 and 6 over 6 and 3 over 8. Sahar wrote many equivalent fractions to each of the given fraction as follows. 5 over 6, it's 10. يعني هي كتبت لل 5 over 6 كذا fraction equal لها. First time she multiplied by 2, by 3, by 4, and she write the fractions. Then she wrote 3 over 8, and also she multiplied by 2, 3, 4. I don't know what's also. Can you help Sahar to complete her operation? Look, teacher, there is a rule, you should memorize it very well. To add 2 fractions, they should have same denominator. إذا ما كان عندهم same denominator, I cannot subtract or add 2 fractions. So you can choose now from the given fraction, the equivalent fraction that has same denominator. What do we have? The 24. Did you see
20
the 24?
over 24.
Okay, the 20 over 24, I will write it instead of 5 over 6. 20 over 24 plus the 3 over 8, it's also 9 over 24. If they didn't have same denominator, I cannot add them. It will be 29 over
24.
I can't add the denominator. The denominator, it doesn't change. I just add the numerator. I will add the numerator. If they have same denominator, directly I will add the numerator. Like here, to add two fractions having the same denominator, when they have same denominator we call them like fraction. إذا كانوا مش same denominator بنقول unlike fraction. If they have same denominator, so just we add the numerator. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. That's it. It will be 5 over 9. So now I want from you to move to page 108. It's all about what? Same denominator. Just you make addition. Start solving this 1, 2, 3. It's 4 plus 5. It will give me 9 over 13. Yeah. Continue them alone. So yeah, Yaslin, the second one, it will be
6 plus 4
equal
10. 10 over 7.
Yes, Dima. 3 plus
6 plus 1 equal 4 over 8.
أنا أول وحدة ما حليتها.
3 plus 1. Take a permission before talking Qatar. So now 3 plus 5 directly, it's 8 over 10. And here 7 over 8.
8.
And you should
7,
color 8. You should color 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I want to tell you something. If I have 7 over 8, who wants to tell me what is the whole of this fraction? The whole fraction, it's what?
8.
8 over 8 يلي هي الهول، يعني هي الهول 8 over 8 يلي بتساوي 1. مش هيك اتفقنا؟ مش اتفقنا إذا النيميريتور and the denominator بتكون the fraction equal to 1. If the numerator and the denominator are equal, the fraction is equal to 1. How can I solve this exercise? If you look here, the denominator is 8. That means the 1 is 8 over 8. To get this missing number, I will ask myself, 8 minus 5 equal to what?
Equal 3.
3 over 8. Now you can see 5 plus 3, it gives me 8. Here the whole is 5 over 5. 4 plus what? Give me 5. Plus 1.
4 plus 1.
It's 5 over 1 over 5. And if you look to the figure here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 over 5. The last one is 1 over 5. And here, look at the figure. 1 over 10, 2 over 10, 3 over 10, 4 over 10, 5 over 10, 6 over 10, 7 over 10. So the whole is here 10 over 10. And the other, in the pink one, it's how many pink one? 3 over 10. So here, the one is 3 over 3, and you count them. Just count them from the figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 over 6 plus 2 over 6. It gives me 6 over 6. اللي هي الwhole اللي هي ال1. It's very